What are you doing?
Trying to start the lawnmower.
How?
You have to push this in to get something. We have to start this stupid thing.
Who told you that? Who told you?
Just give me the red lawnmower.
Who told you that you had to do that?
What?
Who told you had to do that?
Hey! I'm sitting somewhere.
Who told you had to do that?
Huh?
Who told you had to do that?
You did.
I did?
You have to pump it down a couple times to get it in.
Who said that? I never
That's how
said
I got
that.
started last time.
Huh?
That's how I got started last time.
Yeah?
Yep.
So seeing as how I never told you to do that, where do you get that? Huh?
This is the gas. If you give it a little bit, it will start.
Who said to do that to the handle?
Nothing.
I never...
You did